how to create serialized PDF files with Raster Image Printer 12. PDF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. To create serialized PDF files, you will need to create a custom profile and set it as PDF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating PDF files with your Raster Image Printer. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add Profile. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Serialized PDF and enter a description such as Create Serialized PDF Files. The only change we need to make to our default settings is the output type. Change the output type from Adobe PDF Multipaged to Adobe PDF Serialized. For the purposes of this example, we are creating Adobe PDF files which are searchable. If you want to create non-searchable PDF images, you will need to enable Create each page of the PDF as an image. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Serialized PDF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to PDF. Select File, Print, select PDF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to PDF Image Printer. Then set the name of the sequence and save location of your new Adobe PDF files. We have now made a sequence of PDF files from a single document. If you are looking to add PDF files to an existing sequence, reopen the serialized PDF profile that we created. Under Save Options, enable Append Pages to an existing sequence of files. Set the output location and output file name of your PDF files. We will use the same location and base name that we used for the first sequence, so that additional files will be appended to our existing sequence. Open your document again. Select File, Print, select PDF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the document to PDF Image Printer. The Save dialog will appear with the output location and base file name already populated. Click Save to finish. We have now added these PDF files to our existing sequence. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.